Hi, to enable and disable GPS on your Garmin Vivoactive 5, as a first step, you would need to wake up your watch so you could see its current watch face, and then press and hold this lower button so we could see the menu. From this menu, simply select Settings, and after that, just scroll a bit to go in Activity Tracking. From here, you need to choose Auto Activity Start, and now we can see the switcher for turning on and off. This is basically our GPS because an activity cannot start automatically without GPS enabled. So if you want to enable GPS, you will need to tap on the switcher, but notice that this setting will reduce battery life. And after that, you would see those two additional tabs, walk and run. So the activity walking, for example, will start tracking automatically after 5 minutes of your walking or 1 minute of running. You can change it if you go in this section. And for walk, we got 3 options, 5, 10 and 15 minutes, and we can disable it at all if we tap off section. And for run, we got 3 options as well, 1 to 3 minutes and disabling option. So if you would like to disable GPS, you would need to tap on this status to turn it off, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.